Hey, what's up, everybody? It is Nikki D here, back with another video. I was just on a few minutes ago. I had to go eat. Now I'm back, and this time I'm showing my face. All right, so I wanted to come to you today because I actually received some stuff in the mail, which I'm really excited about. I've joined this amazing postcard opportunity like no other, okay? A postcard opportunity that if you can put stamps on a postcard and mail it off, okay, then you have done most of your work, okay? All you got to do is get it out there to the people. We have professional closers to actually close the sales for you. Now, I'm still waiting on my postcards and my welcome packet. I just joined last week, okay? But I wanted to show you what I got because I did have some stuff that came in the mail from the actual company that prints the postcards. They're still working on my postcards, but I was able to receive my drop cards. So when you purchase the postcards, you get drop cards for free. So I did receive my free drop cards today. I want to show you all. Look at that money. Yeah, it looks like money, right? So these are my drop cards, and they actually folded one for me. So this is what it looks like. Okay. So it looks like one side of each side of the $100 bill. And so when I strategically place these around my community to help other people in my community, they're going to look at this. They're going to be like, ooh, somebody loves some money. And when they open it, this is where they're going to receive the information. Okay, it has all the information here written, ready for you. Okay, let me read what it says. It says, fire your boss, create a better lifestyle today. You've unlocked the secret that can put thousands weekly in your pocket. No experience needed. You don't have to pick up a phone. You don't have to talk to a soul if you don't want to. They do all the selling and telling, or educating people, I like to say. They do all the educating to the people, okay? They close all the sales, and they have a telephone number. And see that ID code right there? That's my ID code. And so every person who comes across this, and this says the same thing on my postcard. So when I receive my postcards, it's going to say the exact same thing. Okay, and so once they get in the hands of the leads are going to call the number there with my ID number, and the people on the other line is going to educate them on the whole business, on direct mailing, what it's all about, how they can earn money, and what they have to do. And they're going to close the sale for you. And then when they close the sale, you get paid, okay? You get paid. There's nothing really better than this. I mean, if somebody can't do this, then I don't know. I don't know, because this is so easy. You're literally doing like 10% of the work, and they're doing 90%. This is an awesome opportunity that has been created by a very popular online marketer, one who's never had bad reviews, who's actually has always been upstanding with his people. I mean, many people know him. But the name of this company is called Passive Profits, okay? Amazing business model, okay, that's made for anybody to win. That's what I love about it the most. It's made for everybody to win. And they provide you with leads. So let me break it down. So me personally, I did join at the bottom level. So I joined at the $100 level. I'm not going to go over all the levels because it goes all the way up. But I joined at the $100 level. So for me, the $100 level, I get 100 leads, okay, for the $100. And $100 is a one-time fee. So you paid $100 one time. You get 100 leads from them, and these are leads for people who are into direct marketing or into business opportunities. And so they are already dispositioned to stuff like this. They like stuff like this. They love stuff like this. So it just takes the person on the other end to close them. So these are leads, trusted leads that are into opportunities just like this. Okay, and so we're going to get the postcards. They even provide you with stamps. For the $100, you get 100 leads. They provide you with stamps, okay? And you get a bonus. I didn't even talk about the bonus, and I'm not going to. If you want to know what the bonus is that you get when you join, call the number. Call the number. The number to call is 800-474-1375, and you will provide them with my ID number, which is 235, okay? and you'll leave them with your name, your telephone number, and the best time to contact you, along with my ID number, which is 235. They'll contact you back at your earliest convenience. This line is 24 hours, so 24/7. So they always got somebody that's available to talk to you about the business if you're interested. That's another thing that I love about it. So there's many things, and I will be back as I receive more things. I just wanted to show you that I'm so excited because I actually got my drop cards, which I will be dropping. Yes. When I'm in the grocery store. Yes. If I go to the game room. Yes. Okay. People are going to think this is $100 bill. And when they open it, they're going to be like, oh my gosh, I needed this. Let me see what it's about. You don't know what a person's situation is, and not everybody can do MLM. Not everybody can do affiliate marketing. And so this is an opportunity that's going to allow even the one who hasn't been able to make sales in MLM, it's going to allow them to make money. Okay, it's going to allow them to step into their greatness. This is money that you can make to help to fund maybe a dream business that you've always wanted to start. It's going to help you to fund your child's college education, whatever it is that you've wanted. Maybe you always wanted to go on vacation and wanted to go visit Japan or something. Okay, so now this is going to allow you to be able to do that, and it doesn't take up much of your time. It's something that can be done with your family. Okay, because you best believe my kids, when them postcards come in, my kids are going to be putting the stamps on those postcards. Okay, and the thing is, at the end of the day, I'm going to pay them. Because guess what? I learned from the financial business I was a part of, is that I can write that off. Okay, so I'm going to be paying the kids, and they're going to be helping me. This is a family-oriented business, something that we all can do together and spending family time, and teaching the kids how to do business, how to work, how to, make things happen for themselves, So I'm really excited about my drop cards. It's 100 of them, and you get this free when you order your postcards. You get 100 of these drop cards absolutely free of charge. Okay, when you join and you order your postcards. So, like I said, at the lowest level, at $100 level, which is a one-time fee, the $100, you get 100 leads. And they're sticker label too. So you don't even have to write them out. They're sticker label. And all you got to do is stick them on the back of the postcard along with the stamps that they provide you. So they start you off with stamps. Okay. Now you will have to maybe continue to buy your own stamps after that. But when they start you off with several, books of stamps. Okay, for you to get started, to get a head start. There's people who've already been making money with this opportunity. It's growing so fast. And like, I'm just excited to kind of see where it's going to go. So if you've been looking for a business to become a part of, but you've just been leery about doing MLM because you just feel like it's just going to be so hard for you to grow a downline and all this other stuff, then this is the route you want to take. This is where you want to try. You want to try this, okay? Postcard is where it's at. Call the number. The number is 800-474-1375. And my ID number for you to reference when you call is 235. Not only do you get leads sent to you on sticker labels, not only do you get stamps, okay? You get a strategy. I think it's called a TKO strategy that helps you to get your business off the ground, okay? Not only that, you get access to our paid members group where we have weekly trainings. And like I said, man, if you look at Passive Profits, you see who run Passive Profits, you're getting some good training. You are getting some great training. This opportunity was actually started by Ontarian Hawkins, okay? Many of you may know him who are into internet marketing and things like that. And so the training is dynamic, okay? It's dynamic, without a shadow of a doubt. So it's going to help to prepare you for this business. Not only for this business, it can even help prepare you for any other business you're a part of. You are getting golden nuggets, and we have trainings every week. We have webinars for people to actually get more information on the business. So see what I mean? You really don't have to. If you don't want to talk to nobody, you don't have to. The webinar explains it all. Okay, when you call that number and you provide it, and you know, when you call that number and you speak with a representative, you know, they're going to give you all the information. Okay, so, you know, it leaves not that much for you to do. Okay, so if you're looking for a new beginning, you're looking for something different, you know you're about to get your tax refund, and you're like, man, I want to invest in something. I just don't know what. I done seen so much stuff out there. I don't know what to be a part of. Try this. Try this. Try this, okay? Lowest level, $100 one time. Okay, you start making money, then you can upgrade. And once you upgrade, it just helps you to unlock being able to make more when somebody signs up under you, okay? And it's all one-time fee. Even when you upgrade, it's all one-time fee, okay? So, and like I said, and think about it this way, you can write all this stuff off next year. Everything that you've invested in this, you'll write it off, and it's going to give you a big tax break, okay? So, with that being said, if you have been interested in making money from home, this is one of the easiest things you can do. One of the easiest things, okay? And so definitely it's something to think about. You know, it is something to think about. What else are you going to do? You're going to go work your 9 to 5. You're going to wait for them to call you in so you can continue to bust your butt at your job, working extra hours that you don't even want to be there. You know what I'm saying? When you can have something brewing on the side, because let me tell you something, you never know when your job is going to quit on you. And when your job quits on you, you need to be ready. You need to be like, I'm good. Don't you want to be able to say, I'm good? If your job quits on you, don't you want to be able to say, I'm good when your job quits on you? This is what's going to help take you there. Hey, Ontarian, he is actually, him and his wife, his lovely wife, are the ones who actually created this wonderful opportunity. I want to thank you for hopping on, Ontarian. This is a wonderful opportunity. I can't wait to see where it goes. Like I said, anybody's interested, call the number 800-474-1375. My ID code is 235, okay? They're going to contact you back at your earliest convenience, and you can get as much information as you want from them, and you can start getting started and receiving your postcards in the mail as well, okay? Let me say hey to a few people who had joined. Hey, Rory. Hey, what's up, sis? Kiana. Hey, Deanna. Sean. My sister, Erica. Hey, what's up? My friend, Brent. What's up, Brent? Hey, Robert. Marsha. Shadia. Hey, what's up, Anisha? She is also part of this amazing opportunity, and the founder, Ontarian. Thank you so much, everybody, for tuning in. I appreciate every last one of you. If you are interested in finally being able to make some kind of money from home, okay, without having to create a huge downline and keep people up under you, because here's one thing. The only thing, MLM can be great. I mean, I've been part of those companies, and I do love them, but the thing is that you can't guarantee a person's work ethic. So somebody can join up under you and not give their all, not do what you're willing to do. And so then once their work ethic shows that they're not doing what you're hoping they do, they fall off. And then you have to keep replacing and replacing and replacing. And for some people, they love doing that, and for some people it's draining. Okay, and this is something where you don't have to be drained. You don't have to worry about keeping people up under you. And you can start banking and actually making money, okay? And you can do this online or offline. This is really an offline opportunity. You never have to come online and share this with anybody. All you got to do is send out your postcards and you good. But there's many beautiful people here online who are looking for an amazing opportunity. So why not share it? And so that's why I'm here with you today. So once again, if you're interested, please call the number, and I'll go and add it back up above this video. Please call the number. I'm going to say it one more time. That's 800-474-1375. My ID number is 235. Leave your name, your telephone number, and the best time to contact you, and they'll call you back at your earliest convenience, and you can get all the information that you need, anything additional outside of what I've already shared. All right. So with that being said, my name is Nikki D. I believe in manifesting your wealth 24/7. Okay. That's mentally, physically, and last but not least, spiritually. All right. And with that being said, I'm out.